Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best keychain knife that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best keychain knife. It is not always the best idea to invest in a big knife. There are times when even a small knife can play an important role. Easy to carry and hold, a small knife can cut plastics and cardboards easily and also can protect you, although it is not designed as a self-defense tool. While there are many small knife designs, keychain-sized knives are highly versatile. Number 5. Techpro Omuda Hook-Locking Silver Metal Keyring Keychain. This fashionable keyring is made of zinc alloy, which has both metal texture and hardness, make it strong durable material. Decorate your car, bike, scooter, locker. Main features: high quality material, easy to use, anti-scratch. Number 4. Hook-Locking Silver Metal Keyring for Car Bike Keychain Set. The minimalistic design and practical make the keychain appeal to everyone. They make elegant corporate gifts for festive season. Main features: made of high-quality stainless steel, lightweight and easily fits, durable and long-lasting. Number 3. 7 Cloud Stuff Double Ring Hook Heavy Metal Keychain. We also attach these to keychain, zipper, belt loop, backpack, hiking gear, kids jacket, dog collar, and many other uses. It much easier to detach or clip. Main features: portable and handy of keychain, practical design, high quality. Number 2. Naxis Black Antique Metal Keychain for Boys. Snap hook enables convenient keeping of keys while carrying them, by enabling users to hang it on a belt loop or a similar support. The keychain can keep the keys secure. Main features: anti-scratch and rust-proof. Made of top-quality metal. 2 detachable key. Number 1. DOCOSS-Pack of 2 Metal Antique Keychain for Men Stylish. This fashionable keyring is made of zinc alloy, which has both metal texture and hardness, make it strong durable material, anti-scratch, and it will never rust. Main features: high quality material, functionality, easy to use. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.